This video is for informational purposes only and is not professional advice. KEI Industries acquires 11.4-acre plot in Sanand, Gujarat for 23 crore rupees to fuel expansion plans. KEI Industries Limited, a leading Indian manufacturer of wires and cables, has announced the acquisition of an industrial plot measuring 45,964.92 square meters, 11.36 acres, in Gujarat. The land has been purchased from the Gujarat Industrial Development Corporation, GIDC, and is located at plot number 832 to 836, Sanand-II Industrial Estate, Ahmedabad. The acquisition, valued at approximately 23.05 crore rupees, marks a strategic move by KEI Industries to expand its manufacturing footprint in one of India's fastest-growing industrial corridors. The land will be used for future capacity expansion, reinforcing KEI's long-term commitment to meet rising demand for power cables, control cables, instrumentation cables, and other specialized products across domestic and international markets. Sanand, a major hub in Gujarat's industrial ecosystem, is home to several global and Indian manufacturing giants across the automotive, engineering, electronics, and renewable sectors. The strategic location of this plot ensures robust connectivity to logistics infrastructure, ports, and industrial supply chains. Mr. Anil Gupta, Chairman and Managing Director of KEI Industries, confirmed the acquisition via regulatory filings and emphasized that this move aligns with the company's forward-looking growth strategy. With increasing infrastructure development, urbanization, and electrification initiatives in India, the demand for high-quality electrical transmission and distribution products is expected to rise substantially. The Sanand facility is likely to support both B2B and B2C demand, catering to real estate, industrial, power, and EPC customers. While details on the project timeline, investment in plant setup, and product-specific plans are yet to be disclosed, the land acquisition is seen as a preparatory step for high-scale, modular growth. This acquisition comes at a time when KEI Industries has been consistently expanding its operations, product range, and export footprint. The company's ability to deliver superior engineering, robust manufacturing, and strong distribution networks has placed it among the top cable manufacturers in India and a growing player in global markets. As of FY25, KEI has reported strong order inflows across segments and continues to focus on capacity building, backward integration, and operational efficiency. The new land acquisition is expected to contribute meaningfully to these objectives and may also open up opportunities for automation and smart manufacturing initiatives. Let us know your views in the comments section. Follow us for more updates on listed Indian companies and business insights.